In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Valorant black screen issue on startup. This is a common problem that happens when the game fails to properly launch, often due to compatibility or service settings. Don't worry, this will be quick and easy to follow. Before we begin, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. It really helps out. Let's get started. If you're trying to launch Valorant and the screen turns black without loading into the game, try the following steps. First, go to your Swan Start menu search bar and type Valorant. When it appears under Best Match, right-click on it and choose Open File Location. Once you're in the file location, right-click the Valorant shortcut again, and this time, select Properties. If you don't see that option right away, click Show More Options, and you'll find Properties there. Inside the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab at the top. Now we'll adjust a few settings. First, check the box that says Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 and choose the Windows 8 from the drop-down menu. This helps if Valorant is having trouble running on the latest Windows version. Next, scroll down to the Settings section and check the box that says Disable Full Screen Optimizations. This can help if your system struggles to switch into full screen mode, which is often a reason for black screens. Then, also check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. This ensures Valorant has the necessary permissions to start correctly. After you've enabled these three options, click Apply, then OK, and try launching Valorant again. In many cases, this fix alone resolves the issue. If that doesn't work, let's move on to the second method. Go back to your desktop and in the Start menu search bar, type Services. Click on the Services app that appears. In this new window, you'll see a long list of background services running on your computer. Scroll down alphabetically until you find one called VGC. This service is part of Riot Vanguard, Valorant's anti-cheat software, and if it's not running correctly, the game can fail to start. Once you've found VGC, right-click on it and select Properties. Under the WAS Startup Type dropdown, change it from Manual to Automatic. Then, if the service is currently stopped, click the Start button, followed by Apply, and then OK. This ensures the VGC service always starts automatically with Windows, which is required for Valorant to run properly. After that's done, restart your computer and launch Valorant again. You should now see the game load normally instead of a black screen. If the issue still persists, make sure both Valorant and Riot Vanguard are fully updated. You can also try reinstalling Vanguard through the game launcher if the service is missing or corrupted. And that's it. That's how to fix the Valorant black screen on startup issue. If this tutorial helped you, please take a second to drop a like, subscribe for more quick PC gaming fixes, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.